In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily silence calls on your iPhone without blocking them. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and the first and the easiest way to silence calls without blocking them is just use that switcher at the left edge of your device. We can just switch it and then it says silence mode on, which means that all the calls and all the notifications will be silenced or muted until we turn off silence mode. Another way to silence call is go to settings, then we need to find phone, and then silence unknown callers. That's where we can enable that option by toggling on that switcher, and as long as the option turned on, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recents list. However, incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. If you want to silence calls from a particular users, you can easily do so. Just go to settings, and then I recommend you to use focus modes. We can tap at do not disturb, and then we need to configure it. So I'm gonna tap at people. Then we need to choose silence notifications from. After that, we need to add users whom we want to silence. We can tap at that plus sign, and that will open up our contacts. Then we can add some user to that list, and all the notifications from that users will be silenced while do not disturb mode is active. Also, if you don't want to get calls from that users, you have to turn this switcher off, just like in my case. After that, once we are done with that, we can just swipe from the top right corner of the screen to activate do not disturb mode. It is active now. We can tap right here to check that, and in that simple way we can activate do not disturb mode. That's how you can easily silence calls on your iPhone without blocking them.